could feel down. She was always smiling from ear to ear, and everybody wondered if round would she ever know the feeling of tears. All she said to them was, live your life.
Hi everyone, this is Anthony Battaglia. Welcome to my channel. Today's unboxing with Anthony. I got this 23andme DNA test kit. Cost me $139. It says like gets results for like find out what like race you are, percentage. So you get a booklet, tells you what's in it. I always wanted to get this done. So, you can't eat none or drink anything, and like brush your teeth, drink coffee. Drink coffee. I don't know. I got like, also got coupons. Comes with its kit. Comes with like a bag. Biohazard bag. Little thing where you spit in this. And a cap. I guess you put it back into this box right here when you're done filling the thing. Okay, you gotta spit all over them. Subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, share my videos, share my channel. Well, that's it for unboxing. Have a good day, have a good night. Also, if you'd like to support my channel, I'm going to have my Patreon linked up in the YouTube channel. So if you'd like to support the channel and join the Patreon. Also, I'm going to have my PayPal address in the comments. Also, I'm going to have my PayPal linked up also in the YouTube channel. So if you'd like to help out the channel and donate to the channel, I'm going to have that linked up in the link in the YouTube channel. Also got a Cash App, so if you'd like to help out and donate to the channel to that, the Cash App or PayPal, you can send donations to from the PayPal or the Cash App. Also, I got merch, so if you'd like to buy merch for the channel, from the channel, also you can rock the merch. So that's gonna be also linked up in the YouTube channel. But that's it for unboxing with Anthony. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye.
life just like you're young again. No, don't. Your life just like you're young again. No, don't you cry. Just get back up again. 'Cause if you wanna